CoinDataFlow warns of a potential 6.8% drop in Aave tomorrow. But first, here's a quick overview of the current price movement. At this time, Aave has risen 4.3% and is positioned around $116.49. Time to check out today's forecast lineup. Gulf Capital Collector believes the price might retreat to $112.58 by tomorrow. That's about 3.3% off today's price. CoinLore expects Aave could move down toward $111.63, roughly 4.1% lower. 30 Rates notes the chance of moving downward to $111, implying a loss of 4.6%. Another analysis released by CoinDataFlow points to Aave drifting lower toward $108.44, a loss estimated near 6.8%. To finish, CoinCodex aims for $108.04 by tomorrow. That's 7.2% under today's price. This is the most rewarding forecast in this set. We've looked at 5 different projections. Let's continue. Summarizing all analyst predictions, here's the picture. Looking at the forecast side by side, the projected movement in price is between a drop of 7.2% and a drop of 3.3%, depending on the analyst. Our review shows CoinCodex giving the most optimistic forecast with 7.2% gain in value by March 17. Ultimately, you could collect between $33 and $72 for every $1,000 you invest. By examining recent volatility patterns, Gulf Capital Collector's forecast emerges as the most likely scenario with an 85.3% chance of success. Taking into account all 5 forecasts, I've put together one overall consensus scenario. The average outlook points to Aave moving to around $110.34. Here's the detailed picture. The consensus view places the price 5.2% lower than current levels. Seen another way, your capital could also expand by 5.2%. With $1,000 as a base, the numbers might indicate $52 gained. In addition, the probability tied to this consensus forecast is around 69.1%. At this stage, let's examine the short-term 3-day predictions from analysts. Gulf Capital Collector expects downward momentum to persist. Also, CoinLore signals a short-term move lower. Also, 30 Rates anticipates Aave heading south. Meanwhile, CoinDataFlow highlights building pressure to the downside. CoinCodex emphasizes that the short-term picture is tilted higher. Consensus estimates indicate that Aave will trade lower across this horizon. In short, most analysts see Aave following a downward path. 2 days back, 5 forecasts were published. Now we can see how they performed against the market. At the end of the day, the price was $116.35. In the end, just 2 predictions had the direction right. The leading forecast in terms of accuracy was made by 30 Rates. Let's zoom in on the individual results. A total of 3 forecasts fit neatly into the daily candle. As for ROI, a few forecasts showed profits, with CoinDataFlow leading the way. Here's the full recap, the complete breakdown of the results in one view. 30 Rates reached accuracy, while forecast probability was 94.6% and ROI 1.2%. See if you can spot who came closest this time. And now we're moving to the comparison of tomorrow's expected returns for Aave and a small group of other coins. Aave currently shows the highest projected return for tomorrow, 5.2%. This view includes only 5 cryptocurrencies, and the full comparison of forecasted returns across many coins will also be added to my website and Telegram. Okay guys, we're done. Hit subscribe to follow which analysts actually deliver results. Talk to you soon.